Welcome. Thank you for joining me. We're going to talk about Logitech. Logitech has the best warranty program on the planet. Sometimes their products aren't great. Most of the times their products are awesome. Most of the times, did I just say that? Like the New York Times? Most of the time their products are awesome. There's a hole in the way that they do things. Not really a hole, but if you figure it out, there is a hole. Every Logitech product you can either get for free or get for 50% off, depending on how you do it. Now, here's a disclaimer. Don't do this because it's scummy, and I believe it's fraud. Depending on how, I'm pretty sure it's fraud, but there's a way to do it. Logitech's warranty program is amazing. Where is my water? Because I'm heaving here. Wow, did I throw out all my water? No, I didn't. I put it somewhere, guys. Is it in frame? No, it's up here. So Logitech's warranty program is amazing. And the reason why is because they don't have a program where you send product back, it gets fixed, and then they send it back to you. They don't have that program. If I had a problem with my headset, and I've had a problem with a mouse, and for both times, what happened was, I go onto their website, I register the serial number and all that stuff, and then you go through their FAQs and everything, and nobody wants to talk to you, right? Because they want to be hands-off as possible. And then none of the suggestions they had actually worked, so I ended up submitting a warranty claim and submitting a ticket. So I submit a ticket. Within 3 days, they get a hold of me. There's somebody on the other end, whether he's copying, pasting, or what, but talking to me, trying to help me figure out what's wrong, trying to get me to, get the thing running. Just, there was a problem with the headset and the mouse. There was a couple buttons that were going crazy. And so they're like, okay, well, it doesn't look like we can fix it. Okay, so where do I send the product, right? That's what you do. Like, no, we'll just send you out a new one. You're just going to send me out a new one? So the first time, which was the headset, okay, so you'll send me out a new one. Okay, so I'm waiting for, we'll send you a new one when you get it, send the other one back, whatever. Never happened. When I had the mouse, these are 2 years apart. When I had the mouse issue, yeah, we'll send you a new one. Same, and I'm thinking to myself, someone could abuse the hell out of this. And I'm pretty sure that I've bought a product that somebody's abused the hell out of Logitech's warranty program. Because you could and your warranty still continues. Like, you get that new product and they still back the warranty for, 2 years or something, or 3 years, depending on what item you bought. And so you could have multiple replacements depending on how defective the products they're sending out to you. So somebody could abuse the hell out of this program and get a bunch of free stuff. So one, if you wanted to abuse it, I'm sure that if you would get away with possibly abusing it once or twice, and then they'd be like, oh, well, we're shipping a lot of product to this one address, so it's probably not real, right? But if you wanted to abuse it, you buy the product, and then you make your warranty claim, and when it gets to you, you immediately turn around and sell it on eBay or something and get pretty much all of the money that it's worth, because it's still a valid product, it's brand new, and it's worth... So you get basically an item from Logitech for free, or you get this. You end up with two of the items. Maybe it is a mouse and you want two of them. Then you just ended up paying 50% for both mice, 50% off. It's crazy. It's crazy. So Logitech is a pretty solid company. The only problem I have is with these webcams and their software to run these webcams. If they'd have just come out with some software to fix the settings duplication and the settings override problem, it would be solid company. But people have been barking at them for years to do it. And literally, this is what Logitech did. Logitech literally put out a video that shows or tells you to go and don't use Logitech drivers, use Windows generic drivers in order to get it to work, which it does work, but it overrides the settings every time you reboot your system or unplug the webcam. So bulletproof warranty program. Well, not bulletproof because you could abuse it, but it's pretty awesome warranty program. Not so great webcam software. That's Logitech.